Hi, welcome back to my channel. Most important video about Instagram. Instagram is shielded to prevent attacks. But how? Instagram will introduce three new functions from next week to secure the accounts of its users, according to Mike Yeager, co-founder of the company, on the social network page. The new functions will help to evaluate the authenticity of the accounts with a lot of follow up to assure those of the public figures and to protect all the accounts. This last update occurs shortly after a massive attack registered on the network and that allows the seizures hundreds of accounts. So, Instagram new function, keeping people with bad intentions, is incredibly important to justifies in announcing the news. That means trying to ensure that the accounts you follow and interact or whom you affirm to be. To verify the accounts, Instagram will incorporate in the menu the function about this account, where information about the date of creation, the country of origin, and the change of users in the last year will be offered. So, if you see an account that you think violates community standards, you can report it. Carrier advises during the month of September, the users can review the information that will be made public. In the same function, a blue badge will be added that will guarantee that the account is the authentic one of the public figure, celebrity, or brand of an international entity. So, to verify an account, it must comply with the terms of use of Instagram, and the network will verify the authentication request. The verification criteria have been set in the company's help center. About Blue Badge. Blue Badge is to access the request form. In the menu setting function, you will have to choose the verification request, provide the username, the full name, and a copy of the company's official records. The request does not guarantee that it will be verified, but Instagram will communicate if it will proceed or not to grant the badge, which is any case will be free. The company also forces the authentication with other applications. For that, in the settings, it will be necessary to choose the option of preferred authentication application and choose them. If this formula is already used, it will automatically be identified and an entry code will be sent. So if you don't have a verification application, it will be sent to the main application stores to download the one that the user wants. Once it is installed, the steps required in the settings will be followed. This process will begin in the coming weeks. So see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.